Hey everybody, so in my last video I totally said that I was going to do technicals on Affirm and I completely forgot. So I'm going to do it for you guys in this separate video right here. So going on Affirm, I'm going to go on the 1 year time frame. And the first thing I'm going to look at is this 50-day moving average, which is probably going to act as resistance right here at 31.42. And you can see right now we are on the 20-day moving average, which is acting as support right here at 23.65. Now you can see in the after hours, that's where we're at right now. So if we do break below this, I do think things get a little bit ugly on Affirm. Now I'm going to take out the moving averages right here for a little bit. And we're just going to talk about the longer term chart pattern. So right here, we can see that we have the strong rejection trend line right here. And you can see we rejected right there. We rejected right there, right there. And throughout this entire time, we were hugging it right here. And then finally, we have this area where now it was acting as support and then it bounced off. We had this gap up and then we had this gap fill to the downside that filled this gap right there. And then we had another rally. So now when I look at this rally, this right here is a inverse cup. So it doesn't look too good. And to make matters worse, we do have this support trend line right here, which we broke underneath. And we actually went back up and retested it and rejected. So to me, this looks like a bear flag because we have the pole right here. We have the flag right here. And this could potentially be breaking out of the bear flag to make another leg down. So where does support actually show itself? Well, if I zoom out right here, we can see that there's a prior support line right here. And you can see it acted as support right there. And you can see this actually goes through that gap area. And when we did break above this, we gapped up. So this could act as support in the future. So, it could go back down to these low 18 levels. So definitely watch out. Now for the bullish side, let me throw on the moving averages again. We could go back into this rising wedge. We could retest this 50-day moving average right here. We could form a potential double top and break above. So this could be a short-term bullish setup as well, but it could also be a longer term if it does get above this, and if we do see some better news out for Affirm. So if Affirm does make it over this 50-day moving average, I do think it could have a pretty strong move. Maybe it could go up to like 40.63 if that breakout isn't just a false breakout. So that would probably put it around the 100-day moving average right here at around 40.08. So that would be the next area of resistance. If it does get above that, 48.09 would be the next. But right now, things definitely look a little bit more bearish. And just another thing I want to point out, we had this doji right here, and this doji is being followed up with a very red candle. So things definitely don't look good on Affirm. And we'll see where it goes from here, but right now I'm a little bit bearish, to be honest. So I hope this helped you guys out, and have a great one.